This morning we're after steelhead, which is just a lake-run rainbow. They come in out of the lake into these streams to spawn in the spring. And unlike salmon, they don't die. After they spawn, they work their way back out to the lake. It's a little chilly out here, but boy, is it beautiful this morning. Appreciate you guys joining me. Welcome to Rivers and Coffee. Let's go see if we can catch one of them. Boy, it sure is pretty in here. Okay, I've been fishing for about 2 hours, and I think because we've had such a late spring, we're probably about a week or two behind on this little stream. So I think there's some fish in here, but very few. So I'll give it a little bit more, and then we'll break for lunch. A little bit of silt here. All right, let's go grab lunch. Okay, we're going to cook some bison patty hamburgers and give those a try. Okay, I was going to put the burgers right on the grill, but I think I'm going to use these 2 pans. Otherwise, I think some of the burgers probably going to fall right through there. So let's see. Hopefully they won't catch on fire. Yeah, we're good. Oh, that's looking mighty good. We're almost done. I think we have just enough time to go check out the lake. I think I'll warm my coffee back up. Got a little cold. Let's go check out the lake, and we'll come back and try these burgers. Okay, we better go check on those burgers. Oh, yeah, that looks pretty good. Are you kidding me? This is delicious.